Hey food lovers! Welcome back to another delicious episode where we explore the stories behind our favorite comfort foods. Today, I'm diving into a cheesy delight we all love: cheese-stuffed jacket potatoes. These are not just any potatoes, they are the epitome of comfort food, perfect for any occasion. But I'm not just going to tell you how to make them. Oh no, we're gonna delve into the rich history and evolution of this dish. I'm gonna share an awesome story behind this comfort food classic. Trust me, by the end of this video you'll appreciate your cheesy jacket potatoes even more. Alright, let's start with the basics. The foundation of this dish is, of course, the humble potato. Imagine a potato baked to crispy perfection, with its inside scooped out and mixed with creamy melty cheese, then stuffed back in. Sounds heavenly, right? But there's more to it than just the taste. Now let's rewind time a bit. Let's take a journey back to where it all began. Picture this. We're in mid-19th century England. The streets are bustling and the kitchens are filled with the aroma of hearty meals. The humble potato was a staple, but people needed new ways to make it exciting. It was a versatile ingredient, but innovation was key to keeping meals interesting. Enter Mrs. Isabella Beeton, a culinary genius of her time. She was a pioneer in the world of cooking and household management. She wrote one of the first ever cookbooks, Mrs. Beeton's Book of Household Management. This book was a treasure trove of recipes and household tips. In her book, she had a recipe for cheese and potato pie. This was a revolutionary dish at the time, combining simple ingredients to create something extraordinary. It was simple, but oh so tasty. The combination of mashed potatoes and cheese was a match made in heaven. She'd mash the potatoes with cheese and bake them to golden perfection. The result was a dish that was both comforting and satisfying. This dish quickly became a favorite among families, especially during colder months. It was the perfect comfort food to warm you up from the inside out. Fast forward to today, and we have our glorious cheese-stuffed jacket potatoes. They have evolved, but the essence remains the same. Now here's my take on it. Let's bring this historical dish into our modern kitchens. Grab some large potatoes, scrub them clean, and bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for about an hour until they're crispy on the outside. This step is crucial for that perfect texture. Once they're done, let them cool slightly, then cut them open and scoop out the fluffy insides. Be careful not to tear the skins. Mix those insides with a generous amount of grated cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, some chopped chives, salt and pepper. This mixture is where the magic happens. Stuff that cheesy goodness back into the potato skins. Make sure they're well packed for maximum flavor. Pop them back in the oven for another 10-15 minutes until the cheese is bubbling and golden. This final bake is what gives them that irresistible finish. And there you have it, a modern twist on a historical classic. These cheese-stuffed jacket potatoes are sure to be a hit at any meal. So, next time you bite into a cheese-stuffed jacket potato, remember Mrs. Beeton and her contribution to making our lives a little cheesier. Her legacy lives on in every delicious bite. And hey, if you fancy trying this at home, let me know how it goes in the comments. I love hearing about your cooking adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious stories and recipes. Stay cheesy, my friends. Until next time, happy cooking.